YouTube, what's up? We back with another video. I did a POV last night, but we're doing another POV. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but we're just gonna be with bro taking pictures. We got homie in the C250, soon to be AMG C63, and you're not going, so I'm on wire on the back left, so I don't know why I'm pushing it, but whatever. How y'all doing though? Y'all doing great? I hope y'all are. If y'all are, even if y'all not, I hope this video makes your night, day. It just hopes to make you better. Y'all hear them pops, bro? Kind of learning from other YouTubers, just like not have my windows all the way down, because that's gonna let in the majority of like the sound. Maybe I need to close my sunroof. I think I need to revitalize this, bro, because it takes forever for it to close. Like I have to like constantly hit it, but that's the only thing that's like messing up in my car. Other than that, like my B58, bro, treating me perfect. Downshift. I can't wait till I get a different steering wheel. I guess I can call this another nighttime POV. I don't really know. Crick is going crazy though. Listen to this spool up. Woo! I got loose, and I probably like unpeeled some wire. Y'all, I need to get my back left tire done, yo. I love doing little pulls, bruh, and not being able to do that in fear of my tire giving out sucks. Oh, y'all heard that? I'm still wondering if I should go full straight pipe or catless downpipe resonator or just catless downpipe. I'll really have to see, because I do want a valve system, but I do want something for also like right now. So it's gonna be straight with me, but I just want something for now. Like I said, y'all, before you reach 6,000, let off. I want to push my car to its limits again, man. It's just feeling weak right now. But that's because I'm not able to really floor it. You heard that, y'all? When we get at this Wawa, y'all, I'll be surprised if wires showing. Oh, damn. Oh, man, that wasn't that bad, but I wouldn't be surprised if wires showing. I was trying to have some loud pops happen. Some people were looking at me. I can tell they were like around my age. It sucks when you don't make the pops happen when you want. Like if I had an MHD tune, like I already know just bop 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 bop, but like it's that easy, but it's not tuned yet. So I don't know if I encouraged homie or not, but man literally mounted his phone up. Someone got popped. All right, let's see what this footage looking like, bro.
This is so far.
Oh, okay. See my skinny legs.
This nigga.
Bro, that thing is smooth. Yeah, nah, bro. I need to do that. All right, be right back. Okay, y'all, trying out some new stuff. Since I don't have a GoPro or a head mount, I pretty much mounted it to my what you call sunshade thingy, visor. Checking out if this is a good angle. This is something I need to be doing because I can't have my phone in my face because I'm really bad at multitasking when it comes to at least my phone in my hand and driving. Where Brody go? I'm about to go back on my POV move. I don't know. I just need to get equipment, y'all. I already know how to work editing software. I already know how to do all that stuff. I just need to obtain it and get it, like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, all that stuff. I'm pretty tech savvy. I just need it in my, my hands. Go. Yeah. I just need it to my disposal. So that's why I feel like I'd be really good at a tech company, bro. Like I am not saying I'm gonna make a GTA 6, but I know stuff. God damn it. My original plan was to get all the full bolt-on stuff, but before learning about the B58, I didn't really know that like my stock stuff is capable of doing what my 328 could, because actually my 328 actually needed an intercooler, it actually needed a charge pipe, it actually needed an air intake, it needed all that stuff. I wasn't aware. So that's why it's one of my biggest reasons why I'm not even doing an air intake, because by the time the master tech at BMW told me that the stock air intake could take like tops 500 horsepower, and by the time I'm pushing 500, I'm just gonna be looking for a top mount turbo. So I'm not really gonna. It's really no point. I'll just be doing for induction noises and everything. So not really gonna do that. Also, I'm trying to figure out what turbo I want to go with. I know, all I know is I want it to be top mount. I want it to have the T51R mod. And for some reason, I want it to be by Garrett. I'm not sure if Precision or Speed Tech would be better. Like, just whatever. I'm not sure if a Pure would be better. On Gen 1, there's no Pure 900s. And yes, y'all heard me correctly. I'm trying to push a 900. I have like a big like goal for this car. Like, that's why I want to, like, after this, I want to skip into like a M5 CS, because like after like I put down 900s, kind of like it kind of just makes no sense to go anything less other than an F90 or a M8. Kind of just makes no sense. So, and those already make power like it's no one's business. They're just only thing I've really heard about, like, bad that I really heard about the F90s and like all the twin turbo V8s is like they're heavy, and that's not really like something I really would care argue about. Like, that's all you have to say about it. It's heavy. Like, you could gut a M5 CS if you want. You could gut a, you know, I don't hear any like valid points of like good smack talk on these engines. So like, if weight is people's problems, then bro, trust me, I can deal with that. I don't care. I'll put my windows down so y'all can hear my little baby pools. Maybe my phone being in front of my like windshield is like a good like wind trap, so you don't really hear that much sound like wind noise. I was slipping right there. I'm gonna drop this in the Sport. I don't really want my tires to get laid up. Those pops, man, I'm telling y'all, there's something about a backfire like that just sounds so good. And I can get people that hate like burble and pop tunes, because I get it. I guess it gets annoying, but I'm still in that phase. Like, I'll probably grow out of it and just like untune my car to stop doing that. But for right now, bro, it's not happening. I love it. All right, guys, we have this C250. It's on my ass. Check me out, guys. Alright, let's try it again. Yeah. You ain't getting away from You're not getting away from me, bro. If I had better tires, bro, I'm telling you, I could really take off with you.
You know, there's a Beamer with some sneaks
Slicks?
and a parachute.
Around here?
Yeah, not around here,
Okay.
but like around Jupiter.
That'd be wild.
There's two of them. There's a white one